Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into everything you need to know about the upcoming OnePlus Open 2 and Oppo Find N5 foldable phones. These devices are making significant waves in the tech world and are setting new benchmarks in the foldable market. First up, let's talk about the OnePlus Open 2. This highly anticipated device is set to launch globally in February 2025. One of its most impressive features is its design. It's expected to be the thinnest foldable phone ever, with a thickness of around 3.5 to 4 millimeters. This sleek design not only looks stunning but also makes the device highly portable and easy to handle. The OnePlus Open 2 boasts an 8-inch 2K LTPO AMOLED display and a 6.4-inch AMOLED cover screen, ensuring a vibrant and crystal-clear visual experience. These displays are perfect for everything from watching videos to multitasking. Powering this device is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, which promises top-notch performance. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or working, this processor can handle it all with ease. The camera setup is equally impressive. It features three 50MP lenses, a main lens, an ultra-wide lens, and a telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom. This versatile camera array allows you to capture stunning photos and videos in a variety of scenarios, from wide landscapes to close-up details. When it comes to charging, the OnePlus Open 2 supports 50W wireless charging and 80W wired charging, ensuring you stay powered up quickly and conveniently. Additionally, the device will come with Android 15 and OxygenOS 15 pre-installed, providing a smooth, user-friendly experience. The expected price for this cutting-edge device is around 119,999 Indian rupees. Next, let's dive into the details of the Oppo Find N5. This device is also set to launch in February 2025, initially in China. The Oppo Find N5 will support 50W wireless charging, making it the fastest wireless charging foldable phone on the market. This feature ensures that you can quickly and effortlessly charge your device without the hassle of wires. Its design is another highlight. It will be the thinnest foldable ever made, as thin as a USB-C port. This ultra-slim design makes the device incredibly sleek and modern. Additionally, the Oppo Find N5 boasts IPX9 water resistance, making it highly durable and resistant to water damage. This means you can use your phone confidently, knowing it can withstand splashes and even brief submersion. The inclusion of wireless charging support was due to the widespread availability of wireless charging in vehicles, ensuring users can charge their devices on the go without any inconvenience. In conclusion, both the OnePlus Open 2 and Oppo Find N5 are pushing the boundaries of what's possible with foldable phones. They offer impressive designs, powerful performance, and innovative features that set them apart in the market. These devices are not just about aesthetics. They are packed with cutting-edge technology that promises to enhance your daily life. We can't wait to see these devices in action. What are your thoughts on the OnePlus Open 2 and Oppo Find N5? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on the latest tech.